Okay, what if I told you that the real secret to reversing wrinkles isn't in some expensive syringe, but it's been hiding in your spice rack this whole time? That's the extraordinary claim that's been making the rounds online. And in this explainer, we're going to break down the source material behind what some are calling the bay leaf miracle.
In this quote right here, this is what kicks the whole thing off. Forget Botox. I mean, that's a direct shot at a multi-billion-dollar industry, right? The source we're looking at doesn't just suggest an alternative. It claims the real deal has been in our kitchens all along. So you have to ask, how does it even begin to back up a claim that big?
And that's exactly what we're going to do. The source is a viral video, and it is packed with some truly dramatic assertions. So we're just going to walk through its logic, step by step, and look at the science and the evidence it presents.
All right, so Section 1, a kitchen cabinet miracle? The video starts with this really startling idea. It's not just that the bay leaf is powerful, it's that pretty much all of us have been using it completely wrong.
Get this. The source claims that the usual ways we use it, like boiling it in a soup, actually destroys a staggering 90% of its most important compounds. This sets the stage immediately. There's not just a method, there's a secret method to unlock its real power.
Now we're getting to the core of it. The video lays out 6 key benefits in a countdown, so let's just follow that structure. We're going to start with their claim number 6, which is all about rebuilding the skin from the ground up.
The source claims that bay leaves can trigger your body's own collagen production, something it says synthetic creams can only try to imitate. Now that is a game-changing idea, because collagen is literally the scaffolding that holds our skin up.
And here's where it gets really, really specific. The source doesn't just make some vague claim, it points to a supposed study from the Tokyo Institute of Dermatology. The number it gives is a 47% increase in collagen production. And look at that timeline, in just 2 weeks for women over 60. That's an incredibly precise and frankly impressive piece of data.
And to make this data feel real, the video tells us about Margaret. She's 72, and after just 3 weeks of using this oil, her own daughter, the person who sees her all the time, supposedly asked her if she'd had work done. That's the kind of personal story that really makes you lean in.
Okay, claim number 5 moves from skin structure to hydration. But according to the source, we're not talking about your average moisturizer. The video is talking about a deep cellular rehydration that lasts for 3 full days from just one application.
And here's the number the source puts on that claim, citing University of Milan researchers, an 89% increase in a skin cell's ability to hold on to water. Just think about that for a second. The video basically says it creates a kind of biological moisture lock from the inside out.
All right, this next claim is a big one, because it tackles something a lot of people think is permanent. The source suggests that bay leaves can actually reverse sun damage, specifically those dark spots and patches we call hyperpigmentation.
And the figure they give to back this up is a 61% reduction in hyperpigmentation after 8 weeks. The way it's described is pretty fascinating. Apparently, compounds in the leaf break apart the melanin clusters that cause the age spots right at the source.
So now we get to the claim that probably gets the most attention, the direct comparison to Botox. This is all about expression lines. The wrinkles we get from a lifetime of smiling, frowning, and just living our lives.
So the source makes a very clear distinction here. On one side, it paints Botox as something that paralyzes the muscles, kind of freezing them in place. But it presents bay leaf as something totally different, a relaxant, not a paralytic. The huge difference, it claims, is that you soften the lines without losing your natural expression.
And this is supposed to be the result. The source puts a number on it, a 52% reduction in expression lines. But the second part of the claim is key. It supposedly does this while you keep your full facial movement, so you avoid that frozen look you sometimes see. Okay, get ready for a pretty big shift. The last 2 claims, they move way beyond just skin maintenance and into territory that honestly sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're no longer just talking about looking younger, we're talking about challenging the aging process itself.
So claim number 2, it's all about fighting gravity. The video claims that bay leaf can create a natural, non-surgical lift, targeting the spots most likely to sag, like the jowls and the neck.
And the number the source throws out for this one is, wow, it's just astonishing. A 340% increase in the production of elastin and fibrilin. Those are the proteins that literally give skin its bounce back.
The claim is that it's basically rebuilding the skin's internal support system from scratch.
And that brings us to it, the #1 claim from the source. And this is, without a doubt, the most profound thing it says in the entire video. The idea that bay leaf doesn't just treat the symptoms of aging, but that it might actually reverse aging at the genetic level.
Now, to get this claim, we need to do a quick definition of telomeres. So think of them like the little plastic tips on your shoelaces. They protect your DNA, but they get a little shorter every single time a cell divides. This shortening process is one of the fundamental markers of aging.
And this right here visualizes what is maybe the single most incredible claim of the whole thing. The source alleges that after 6 months of this treatment, skin cells that were biologically 70 years old, based on how long their telomeres were, now measured as biologically 45. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. That is a claimed reversal of 25 years of cellular aging.
So after this series of frankly mind-blowing claims, the video kind of shifts gears. It switches from the what to the how. How exactly is someone supposed to get these results? And this section is what it calls the protocol.
So the main method they talk about is a homemade, concentrated oil, and the instructions it gives are super specific. You start by crushing about 15 bay leaves. Then, you let them steep in about 100 milliliters of a carrier oil, like olive oil, for 48 hours straight. After that, you strain it all out, and the protocol says to apply just 3 to 4 drops every night.
The source also gives out a bit more advice. It mentions other things you can do, like face masks and teas, but it also includes some really important safety warnings. Always do a patch test first to check for allergies, and be consistent if you want to see results. And, critically, it advises talking to a doctor, especially if you're pregnant or on blood thinners.
So we've walked through the whole thing, from boosting collagen to claims of literally making our DNA's biological clock run backward. And, it leaves us with this one central question. The source material has laid out this incredibly compelling story about a powerful, overlooked natural remedy. So, could a common herb really hold the key to turning back time? Or is this just an expertly crafted, really compelling online story? That's the question to think about.